Hello, everyone. Today I thought I'd go over what I do to make a little money. I know this isn't the best way, but these are almost guaranteed ways to make money if you need to make money right away or need something that's almost guaranteed. Uh, as of right now, I do. I made another video on this, but you can do Mechanical Turk, and you can do a little micro task that way. Uh, Most effective are the surveys, but you can just keep refreshing and see if they have surveys, and then do the tab and arrow trick that I told you all about on the other video. Make surveys really quick. Make surveys take about 3 or 4 minutes when most of the time they take like 15. And you can also do this on micro workers and do some surveys uh, and do some surveys and do other jobs like installing applications and stuff like that. Now, here's another way to make money that a lot of people haven't thought of, but that is to find a good deal website and find video games to sell and resell to GameStop or even sell on eBay. The name of the site is cheapassgamer.com, exactly as it's spelled, cheapassgamer.com. Go to their video games deals forum, and most of the time, the best deals are going to be in the GameStop thread. People will talk about used games that, or maybe you can get on deal and then retrade back to GameStop for a profit, or even if they're on deal of the day, and then they could be traded in later. So be on the lookout for games that might be on sale at Best Buy or GameStop, and then trade them in later. And that's about it. It'll also post other deals for games that are really cheap, and then you can sell them on eBay or whatever. And that comes to my other way of making money. That, of course, is eBay. I've sold a couple things this week, but video game items sell really well, and you can sell some of your leftover video games on eBay. Whenever you post something, there'll be a little bell notification if something is sold. So that's a real way to get some good money pretty quickly. And that's and then if you really need a lot of money, here's what I do. I go to usertesting.com, and definitely do usertesting.com. It's just as it's spelled, usertesting.com, and sign up and do the little intro test, and then you can sign up for like 60 $30 tests and do those every couple of days, and that should get you some uh, primary income going if you need some extra income. And I know it's not like, it might not be full-time income, but at least you can make a decent amount of money from it. And also sign up for validately.com. I'll type in the website right here, ALIDATELY.com. Sign up for that one and have them send the invitations to your email inbox. Then just go to your email inbox on your laptop or your mobile device, and take the screeners that way. All you got to do is sign up for Validate and user testing, and do all the tests that they get, all the tests that they have, and see if you qualify to do their interviews. It's really simple, like testing out websites and giving feedback to people that work on websites and stuff like that. So that's what you can do if you need some money and you don't have a job right now. And that's pretty much it for this video. So what you've got mturk.com, mturk.com. You've got microworkers.com, micro workers.com. Then you've got, go to cheapassgamer.com and look for deals to resell video games. And then you can sell your stuff on eBay. And then for your main income, main side income, you can do user testing on usertesting.com and validately.com, which I just closed out. It's valid, VALIDATELY.com. And those are two user testing apps. Those are the main user testing websites that will actually send you good amount of surveys, screeners to do to get more to do interviews. And that's about all I have for right now. And as you know, if you want to make YouTube videos, you can make YouTube videos. But as of right now, that's about it. Affiliate marketing on YouTube videos, that's another way. And I'm just gonna leave that at 5 ways to make money online. If you need some money right away, or you need some more guaranteed money on the internet, micro-working websites and user testing websites. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, subscribe, and hope you all have a good day. Leave a comment if you want more videos like this, and I hope you learned something about this today. Thanks.